I'll kill you. I'll kill you, bro. I'll squeeze your brains out. Oh, sorry. I needed time. It squirted in my eye.
There you go.
Oh, God. Ah! 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 Woo! I'm ready for work. I'm ready for work. Opa. Hey, Carrie. How you doing? First day at work. Thank you for hiring me, man.
You, man. Are you ready to work?
Yeah, but can I take my supplements first?
Of course. We gotta
Thank you.
take some energy.
I gotta have testosterone because you know when the women see me, I want to be a little pumped up. I gotta take my brain because I'm a little artistic, not autistic, but I want to be sharp at work. You know, while I'm making this cucumber water today. You know, so I already got my watermelon. You know, it's a process of life. This how the owner Kerry. This how he got so rich, man. He had a process. He had a vision. He had a dream, and now he's taking me on as I'm gonna be the employee of the century. So all of them, we don't even need the other employees. I would be able to do all their job by myself. I'm ready, Kerry. You got my uniform for me?
First thing first, brother.
What's that?
Chef Pat and April, baby.
Hey, I can wear a chef. I'm a chef now.
Oh, yes.
I'm a certified. He made me a chef.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Is it alright if I wear my shades? Because this gives me the powers.
Don't feel
I get powers
uncomfortable.
from my
Don't feel
shades.
uncomfortable, baby.
Okay. He said I could wear my shades because they give me superhuman powers. Yeah. Opa! I'm ready to Opa! Y'all better watch out. I'm trying to take your position. So if I take all their job, can I get all they pay at once? Like, can I all they pay at once? Oh, so they get 15. I'll be getting $60 an hour. You get 20. He get 20 an hour. 20, 15. That's $80 an hour. I'm about to come take your job.
So it has. We need water, cucumber, of course, lemon,
no,
sugar, meat. Yeah, that's a great.
Yes.
Blender, everything. All right.
Right.
You gotta start chopping these ones. Go.
So, okay. So can I get the special gloves? Yeah, safety first. You always want to be safe, you know, because these hands right here make a lot of money. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Where did you learn this from? This ingredient,
That's my chef's recipe, actually.
recipe.
It's not mine.
Let's see which one I
Team
got.
recipe.
There it is, Opa! How's that, boss?
That's perfect. All right.
Fiji water.
Yes, sir.
Gotta dip it in there like that. Woo! There we go, baby.
Fantastic. Awesome.
Good. There we go. Oh, it's another person. Oh, I get her money too. It's $100 an hour. $100 an hour right there.
Always when you carry, you put your hand on the top.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Right here, boss?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at me, I'm professional. I learned how to be a chef in San Quentin prison.
Mint. Let's put the mint inside.
Ooh, we got the mint. That's the secret sauce right there.
Okay.
How many lemons?
Oops. Just for the recipe. Now we have like 4 lemons to make this
Squeeze
one.
in there.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I'm super strong, boss, so we gonna get this done fast. What? Oh, sorry, I had a flashback. San Quentin flashback. I'll kill you. I'll kill you, bro. I'll squeeze your brains out. Oh, sorry. What? What did you say? Oh, boy, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Huh? I told you I see your brains in concrete. Yeah. Who ain't a gangster? Who ain't a gangster? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Who ain't a gangster? Look at you now. Look at you now, Lemon. Look at you now, Lemon. Yeah. Yeah. Who ain't the most famous social media buff, funny motherfucker on the internet, huh? Who? Ooh. Oh, my eye. I need a towel, boss. I need a towel. It's squirted in my eye.
Let me see. I take care of my people, man. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, my eye. Thank you.
Hard working people.
Oh, you see that in my eye? It's that lemon squirted in my eye. Oh, the lemon trying to beat me up, boss. Oh, you think because you got in my eye, you did something special? Huh? You think you did something special? Yeah, that wasn't nothing. That wasn't nothing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, why these up here, boss? They trying to intimidate me. They ain't bigger than me. You ain't bigger than me. You ain't bigger than me, boy. Yeah. Think he big. See, when you're cutting, you act like, you, listen, boy, you ain't bigger than me, boy. you can't, what? Yeah, go ask your bra, boy. Go ask your bra. Yeah. There we go.
Right. Perfect.
Let me make sure this real sugar right quick. Okay, Bob. That's some good sugar.
Tastes good?
Oh, yeah, that's some good sugar. That's straight from Hawaii. That's straight from Hawaii. A little more?
Yeah. The half?
Oh, half of this?
Yes, sir.
This is straight from Hawaii.
All right.
Ooh, I love that sugar, boy. I love that sugar. Especially sugar mamas. I ain't no sugar daddy, though. Ain't no trick, boss.
Awesome, brother.
Ain't no trick. Come on now. Cucumber water. Best in the world. You want the best cucumber water in the world? Gyromania. Santa Clarita, man. Owner right there, Kerry, gave me a job, gave me an opportunity. I killed for him. I killed for you, boss. You gave me a job.
Thank you.
You know what I mean? All these other people scared of me because I had a few bodies on. You know what I mean? I had a few bodies, so they were scared.
I feel safe now, man.
Oh yeah, I got you, boss. You gave me the opportunity, I'm gonna kill for you. There we go. We strain it, boss.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah, let me do this. You ain't gotta do nothing else, all right? I got everything. Just get rid of these other employees. Let me make my 120 hours. Boss, when I was in that D game, man, I was swirling it up like that, and they would lock up and rock up. Ooh. There it is. Boy, there it is. $1 million right there. Oh. I had a flashback to the early 2000s. I was slaying that yay, man. Oh, damn. Boss, how you know to stir like that? he was out there Greek doing something before he came to America. Look at it. Look how that's what they do in those music videos, those gangster music videos. With the Pyrex and stuff. Oh, let me do it, boss. I got it. Watch it. It's the whip of the wrist. I don't know about that. How you think I got this watch, man? Give it to me, boss. Come on, give me that Avion water. Mixed with Fiji. Y'all better come to Gyromania, man. See, not only is it good, it got like human properties to it. Your libido get boosted. your skin get clearer. You might get a vein or two, because a lot of y'all, you can't even see your veins. So if you don't see your veins, you're not healthy. So y'all gotta come through here. We got that sugar, just got flew in today from Honolulu, right? Yeah, the sugar just got flew in from Honolulu, organic sugar. So it costed them $100,000 for a 10-pound bag. She over there giggling, I'm coming for your job. I'm out here. I'm out here. Coming for these jobs. They don't even like to work. I'm coming every day. I'm gonna be here 8 days a week, 24 hours. Just put me a little sleeping bag right here, boss. Put me a little sleeping bag right there. Taco Bell, McDonald's won't have nothing on us. I'll be the only employee you need. I'm coming for y'all job. So they complaining about work, so you can make money, you can eat food, and get a workout, and they complain. I'll tell you, I'm gonna get it all, baby. I'm gonna make the money, be able to eat for free, and a workout. Ooh, I'm kinda better than you, boss. I didn't spill nothing. I'm coming for the boss job. So how many you have to make of these a day?
Probably 15 of those.
Is that right?
Yeah, but we make it like big batches. Like,
Oh, okay, right,
just
yeah.
just to see.
So you make it once a day and that lasts the whole day?
Yeah.
It's funny though, because I wish I knew this stuff as a kid, how to make this type of stuff, especially the watermelon water, this. So this is awesome for, to give to your kids and stuff. And I love real sugar. A lot of people are against sugar. I use real sugar.
And again, it's up to you. If you
Right,
want to
yeah.
add sugar, yeah.
Yeah, sugar is more natural than that weed they smoke. Ooh, we ready already? As simple as that, boy?
Yes, sir.
Dang. You ain't got to be nuts. Oh, y'all don't have to clock in no more. I'll take you outside. You don't have to clock in. I got it. I'll be the cook.
Thank you.
I'm going to make all the juice, serve the people, everything. You ain't got to do nothing no more, boy. Let's have a toast, boss. Toast to success, health, wealth. Thank you for hiring me. Thank you for firing everybody today so I can have all their money.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome, Opa!
Oh God, sorry, boss. You might not want to watch. Turn your head.
There you go.
Oh God. Boss, don't fire me, man.
Oh yeah. I need
Don't
you.
fire me because I in the kitchen.
Stay alive. I need you, man.
Don't fire me because I in the kitchen. I warned you. Oh God, boss. Tell everybody to turn away, boss. Tell them right now. Don't look. Ah. 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 You edit that out, homie. Edit it out. No.
Are you okay?
Don't fire me, boss.
No, not yet, man.
Because I
We need to finish.
desanitize the kitchen with. Well, y'all, Gyromania got the best cucumber water, the best watermelon water, and we got another surprise water coming for you from Gyromania. I'm not gonna tell you, you're gonna have to watch. So I love y'all on YouTube. Y'all hit that subscribe, like, share, because we gotta break the algorithm, as they call it, and I'm being cocky right now. I'm being arrogant. I'll put the best content out. That's right. I'll put the best content out. Get nobody better. Who got these muscles? Who funnier than me? Who as consistent as me? Who as sexy as me? Who can dress better than me? Who got better cars than me? Nobody. That's who. Don't be jealous. Now y'all employees go home. I'm working.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.